Hey everyone, Allison here. Okay, so I've got a couple of things to show you, and then we'll move on to why I am doing this video, and that is the swap that Pam and I is doing. If you've not seen any of those videos, I will have a link up there or down below, and you can check them out. And I lost my scissors. Hold on. Okay. So this, like the other that I'm about to show you, is coming from that group, Happy Mail Pals. Like I said, I've got the link down below if you guys want to go check them out. They are a great bunch of people. You get to meet a lot of really friendly ladies, you know. So you should definitely go and check it out. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Loaded envelope. So my first one was from Amber, and that was so super cute. So let me read this. Aww. Yeah, she's like me. It's like, what really is a loaded envelope? I had to actually look to see what a loaded envelope was. And it, well, basically like what she did, you know, it's adding like stickers and ephemera, maybe some sequins, you know, things like that. But look how cute. I love those. Very, very pretty. Daring and bold. Love it. Keep it simple. Yes, love that. Oh, and I can put my own little sentiment right there. Oh, and then pink. Love. Cute, cute. Oh, hello, sunshine. Adorable. So they must repeat. There you go. Choose to be happy. Love that. That's cute. Ah, and a smile. This is so cute. These would make some great cards. Wonderful. Today is the day. Joy is contagious. Like that. Oh, cute. I like that. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, and then green. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then it looks like in the back pocket. That's really cute. I like that. Some different papers. Looks like this is one. I think that is so pretty. That would make such a pretty card. Really, really pretty. Oh, and this too. This would be good for like a Christmas card or even Valentine's or something, yeah. Oh, and this one's got pink stripes on it. How cute. Yeah, look at that. That's cute. Almost circus-like. I like that. Very, very pretty. These are some really cool designs. Like, this is paper I personally wouldn't buy, you know, just because it's so bold. But I'm seeing like lots of fun cards being made. Some more of the flowers. Isn't it weird? Like, you don't think you'll like something until you get it, and then it's like, oh yeah, why wouldn't I buy that? I don't know why I wouldn't buy it, because these are so stinking cute. I love it. I really like that. Maybe it's the green, I don't know. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. She outdid herself. She sent me so many pretty papers. Oh, this, awesome, awesome. Yay! Okay, so I don't know if I'll throw in the other video before this or after this, so you'll have either seen it before this or I'll probably throw it in before this. Love it! So, Laurie, if you're watching, thank you. I absolutely love it. Super cute. And that paper, that's going to come in handy. And if I know Pam, this will come in handy for sure. Now, this one is why we're here. The swap that Pam and I is doing. So, we'll see. She said she sent a lot of goodies. And oh my... Girl, look how cute. She sent me a ton of washi tape. I thought because she said washi, so I thought maybe she sent me some samples of washi. Those are really pretty. Ah, I'm going to have to get her back. She totally outdid herself. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Oh, great deal on them. For sure. Wow. Oh, look, and it's even got the sticky already on it. Oh, now I feel bad. Well, if you guys want to see what I sent her, go check her channel out. She's probably got it up now, or it'll be up sometime today anyhow. Oh my gosh. These buttons. Oh, yeah, they are. Oh, I love those. Oh, look at that. That is so my style. I love it. My mama and my grandma always said that I'm an old soul because I'm not a big person on modern things. I like more of the old world, old traditional things. Oh, and an angel. Pam's favorite. But yeah. Oh. Got a bag open. These are so cute. I have some of these, but they're wood. This is plastic. I've never seen them in plastic. They're cute though. That will make some great little paper, not paper clips, but aren't these like clothespins? What do they call them nowadays? Yeah, clothespins. Little party favors. Alright, super cute. Uh-oh, we're dropping them. Ah, okay, she was talking to me about this. It looks like cotton candy, but it's like, Pam, let me know, is this the, oh, I can't think what it's called. It's felting. Is this for the felting? I don't have any, like, I want to get into felting, but, I just haven't. Roving. Yes, roving. Let me know, Pam, if that's what this is. Those are some bright colors. Very cool. That, see? Didn't I say? If I knew Pam, that this would fit perfect because all these bright colors. Look at this. I love it. See, I know Pam. We got some popsicle sticks. You know, it's funny that she sent those to me because I was going to send her some. I don't know if I have any small ones, but I have the really big ones. Okay. My goodness, she sent a ton of stuff. Some more of those. And some more of those. Okay. Oh, Pam, I wish you would have told me. I've got a die cut. Now I wish I would have sent her the die cut to make her own bows. Those are super cute though, very sparkly. I like them. And again, I wonder if her and Laurie got together and talked, because these colors are awesome. Just like the ones that Laurie sent in her paper. They cahooted together. You think? Maybe? I don't know. Those are super cute though. I really like that. It's a polka dots. You guys know that song? The bikini song, the yellow polka dotted bikini? Yeah, so cute. Oh, I can definitely use these. You know, I don't have any of these. I just cut mine into, you know, like little shapes that I need. This will come in handy for sure. Oh my goodness, look at all of this glitter paper. Very, very pretty. I think her and I was thinking on the same page. I sent her almost the, you know what? Almost the exact same colors. Ooh, I like that. It's got like a peachy color. Very, very pretty. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. That would make a really pretty snow for like a Christmas card. Gorgeous. This is Studio G paper pack. All right, let's open it up and see. It's kind of got grid. Yes, it's got that grid. Yeah, so Pam is into this kind of stuff. I don't know what you call it. Is it ocean theme or sea themed? I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, look. Polka dots. Arrows. Oh, I like that one. Stars. I'm gonna set that aside because I really like that one. And some, I don't know. You know, if you got a small enough stamp, you could put like a whole bunch of different sentiments in there. That would be kind of cool. Chevron style. Party stars. Kind of a yellow grid. That would be kind of cute to use for like a picnic. Like if you cut it out to make it look like a tablecloth or a blanket or something for a picnic. That would be cute. More polka dots. Some more stars. Oh, look at that. The very best. Sunshine. Amazing. Smile. Very cute. I like that. Some purple squares or grid and triangles. Very cool. My favorite. Okay. Well, there we go. That is what Pam sent me. I'll have to figure out. Oh, I know I can use these with that other paper. I'll have to figure out what I can do with this. These I can definitely use. You know, I can make, and that would be kind of cute, is like a troll. You know those trolls? I don't know what, you know what I'm talking about. It's got the funny fuzzy hair, you know, and they come in like really bright colors. If you know what they are, put them down below. I think they're trolls. I'm not sure, but you could do that. You could totally do that. Probably even just on this, like take some of the roving, right? I don't have the googly eyes right next to me, but I do have googly eyes. But you could like do that, right? And then put the googly eyes. This is probably too small, so I probably have to do it like on the stick. Right? And then like the troll hair. Do you know what I'm saying? Like do the troll hair. And then put the googly eyes. That would be super cute. Hey, you could even put the bow. Well, no, that would be too big. I got a die cut that makes little bows, so alright. Very cool. Okay, it has been, gosh, probably over 15 minutes now, close to 20 minutes now, so I will let you guys go. Like I said, if you want to see what I sent her, go and check her channel out. And then Friday, we will put up a video of either, I'll put one up of me making something. I don't know if she'll put one up of making something or she'll put up as a project share. She kind of has done both. So definitely go check her channel out as well. Okay, I love y'all, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. All right, I love y'all. Bye.